B-Body guys, here you go. 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has a little over 27,000 miles. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior's in good condition. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 7. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. This was the last hurrah for the full-size GM B-Body, and Chevy nailed it. Essentially, you got a police car in luxury form. Y'all make sure y'all go over and follow 713AB. He teamed up with 4G Auto and came up with these wheels. My first time seeing the set, maybe it's y'all first time. They 22 inches, and I think they complement the Impala SS well. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think. I think she's absolutely beautiful. Y'all make sure y'all go and check out 713AB Instagram. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Let's check out the top. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. And she does have the factory RPO code sticker. I get in there and let y'all check it out. Trunk nice and clean. Spare tire. If you're looking for a B-Body, it's the one. She has all the options. Power windows, power locks. Bucket seats, console, floor mounted shifter. Gotta love an Impala SS. Headliner. Check out that dash. Nice and clean. When we start her up, we'll check out the mouth, so y'all stay tuned. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition also. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the LT1 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. As y'all can see, the mileage reached a little over 27,000. Y'all go over and check out rollermuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. That's what we call running like a sewing machine. Don't miss out, guys. Look at the mother freaking wheels. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.